in the kitchen today, and from the title of this video you already know what to expect. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Rachel Ndinga and we're back again with another interesting video. And if it's not obvious, I am in the kitchen today, and from the title of this video you already know what to expect. And yeah, so let's get into it by saying that I haven't gotten everything yet, because one day we do like the grocery shopping and the vegetables and all that, and then another day, or it's not even a must that I go to the supermarket, but another day is set aside for going to the supermarket to get all those things that we get from the supermarket. But today's video, or today's grocery haul, yeah, it's basically a grocery haul, and I'll be showing you what we have in the fridge as of now. I've said we don't have everything, but I'll just shoot like that. So yeah, welcome to my fridge. Here it is, guys. So hope you can see. So that's it. So let me open. This is the freezer part. This is how it looks. It's quite empty, but this is how it looks. Usually here we have some stuff, because most of the times this freezer part, the freezer compartment, is usually full, and it's not full yet because we haven't boiled like the cereals. Are they cereals? Like kuna time tuna boil. Okay, they said kuna time we're supposed to boil ndengu. We're supposed to boil ndengu, green grams. Are they green grams? Yeah, we're supposed to boil the green grams, the beans, the maize, minji, and all that, so that we can keep them here, and we can thaw them out when we need to cook them during the week. So that's what we usually do. So basically today on Saturdays is dedicated for that work, for boiling the cereals. Yeah, so in here we just have that. In here we have the bones for my bone soup, the bone stew, chicken, what else? There is chicken, minced meat, normal meat, beef meat. Okay, is it beef? Okay, minced meat, beef, same things, just like that. And the other one is matumbo. Yeah, so this one is like that, nothing much to eat. This other side, let me start by here. This is how it looks. Like I said, could just have my little but yeah. So that's how it looks. So I always prefer to put some of the milk packets in here. So that's why you see those. This one is usually where I put water. I love chilled water. This is how it looks. Just have your ndengu nile jana, some leftover foods, kachumbari, oranges, then here we have coriander, that is in here, the skuma wiki, yeah, skuma wiki and spinach. We go down, we have our cabbage, this one is skuma wiki, yeah. So this one is the spinach. Some more in the lunch boxes. We just have leftover foods from the week, from this week we're sharing. So on this other side, the most we just have vegetables, carrots, hoho, bilingania. What is this called in English? Mnajua ni bilingania, mishiri, French beans, more tomatoes. So huku chini tuko kumejaa nyanya. The tomatoes are so many. So this is how it looks. So you've seen it. So that's what is in the fridge. And start from there. But very good. So that's it. What is that? So tomorrow the grocery shopping, have fruits, mangoes, have onions, have avocado. So I guess this one will last for almost 3 weeks ago. So some meals for githeri, those should be boiled. Zinafaa kutoka hapo azikaange hapo. And more fruits, we have some, what are those called? Minji zinaitwaje? I don't know, peas, I think peas. We have malenge, pumpkin. And then we have more kitunguu zile za miti, and we have some washi. Most of these things will be boiled alafu zika kwa freezer. Yeah guys, so that's it. It was a simple one. Thank you for tuning in.